Oh no,
I will murder you!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Southern Bloomy Emergency Management. Evacuate the current area now. A large wildfire is underway. Evacuate now to protect your life. Do not stop for essentials. This risks injury or death. Level 3. You are in a life-threatening situation. Level 3. Evacuate the current area now. A large wildfire is occurring. Do not stop for personal belongings or essentials. This risks major injury or death. Level 3. You are in a life-threatening situation.
Oh, that's what she said.